Since 2003, uCamps has sponsored a series of free educational workshops designed to bring students closer together, build teamwork and unity, explore creativity and imagination, break down barriers and cliques, and emphasize the importance of shared experiences.
This is all about establishing that groundwork for relationships and finding out things that we have in common.
My name is Sarah. My name is Emily.
My name is David Ali.
The wind blows for me.
For me.
And anyone else who gets nervous before going on stage. Anyone who loves music.
Anyone who's ever looked in the face of fear and doubt and says, screw you, I'm going to do what I want to do what I want to be.
Students tackle and enjoy a variety of fun exercises and activities that have everyone on their feet, moving, thinking, talking, laughing, and working together. These dynamic workshops are led by Blake Tiny Longfellow, called Tiny because he's only 6 feet 7 inches tall. Blake is an actor-director with a master's degree in organizational culture. He is a 9-time national speech and debate champion and serves on the board of directors for the California Educational Theater Association.
Perfect. Try that with your partner now.
In the past 13 years, we have led these workshops at more than 75 schools and festivals all over California.
Because we eventually found equilibrium again. But it took every single person to come to a consensus and to work together. Good. Alyssa?
It just shows that every single person is important part of the cast, because even if it's just an ensemble, it's still important. It's not just cast like a lead that's gone, so.
Very good.
If you're an educator, call or email today to get more information and book a full day of free workshops for your classes or your after-school program. Your students will thank you for it.
Shoulder to shoulder, hip to hip, shoulder to shoulder, hip to hip, shoulder to shoulder, hip to hip. It's like the worst dance.